we are the best, and you agree with me, right? No need to debate.
What's going on, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram? On y'all way into my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button on your way in. Show y'all what I'm doing today. I gotta get back active, man. I haven't really been posting, haven't been doing too much videos, haven't been creating too much. I got a lot of videos in my phone I really need to go through and see if it's worth uploading to you guys. But lately I've been just, the business has been slow some days, so you know I don't really be trying to just force content on you guys. But even when I'm working, I still just be focused on doing the job. I don't even be thinking about picking the phone up, doing a recording. Even though a lot of people actually like some of the work that I do, especially on YouTube, I get a lot of feedback from you guys, especially with the vacuuming. I haven't been doing a lot of carpet though, so that's one of the reasons I don't get a lot of feedback on the upholstery cleaning that I be doing. But that's what I enjoy the most. I enjoy the upholstery cleaning more than any other services I do. And I cut down a lot of my services. I don't do all of those services no more. I do carpet cleaning, furniture cleaning, and tile and grout. I don't do pressure washing. I don't detail cars anymore. So some of the content has, you know, slowed down because of I don't have a wide range of services like I used to. So if you've been following my YouTube channel for a while, you can go back and see all of the different services I was doing, you know, years ago. This year I decided to just mainly focus on 3 services, and I've been enjoying that. So take you guys in. About 5 minutes away from my job. It is a repeat client, Miss Nikki. I've been working with her probably about 2 or 3 years now. I used to clean her carpet. Now I'm doing her furniture. I had to clean her furniture about 3 times, 2 or 3 times. I'm not really sure, but I'm only doing the furniture today. I'm not doing the carpet, I don't believe. So we'll see how things go once I get there. Usually the furniture be pretty decent. It doesn't really be bad. She got a few dogs, kids, so y'all know how that can go. But take you guys in and show you what I'm doing. Straighten my van up, so organized. I know where you're at. Just this 2-piece sectional, all these cushions, everything looks good though. I think there's one spot on here. Show you guys some of the cleaning. Don't really have a good lighting in here, but for the most part, should be able to get it together.